Hello everyone, today we would like to demonstrate how you can change app icons on your iPhone 14 series device. So to start off, you gotta launch the Shortcuts application, the default iOS app. If you cannot find it at any of your home screens, just open the app library and search for it over here. So Shortcuts. Once the Shortcuts app has been launched, tap on this plus sign at the top right corner, then add action. Here, type in the open app. Choose the open app scripting over here. Next, over here at this little field, choose the app that you want to change the icon for. So let's say I'll go with Compass application. Why not? Then expand the available options over here. Choose the add to home screen. So after that, in this little field, type in the name. You can also customize the name of the app, not only the icons, but I'll name it Compass as what it is. Then, in order to change the app icon, tap over here, right in front of a name. Either take a picture that you would like to be that you would like to set as an app icon, choose from files or choose from gallery. I'll go with the gallery option, set this picture for example, choose, and then press on add. And just like so, we have successfully added, changed basically the app icon for the Compass application. Now basically we have two compasses, like the custom one and the regular Compass application, but you can just remove it by tapping on it, remove app, not like remove it in general or delete the application, but rather remove it from the home screen. So at the home screen you will have the only copy of it, which is the custom one we have just made. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and bye bye.